Hey there, welcome to our quick guide on Catalan greetings. If you've ever wanted to impress your Catalan-speaking friends, stick around. In Catalonia, greetings are essential for everyday interactions. Let's dive into some common phrases.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bon dia. Bona tarda. Bona nit. Hola, Marcel.
Hola, Maria. Com estàs?
And there you have it. Now you're equipped with some essential Catalan greetings.
Adeu. Fins aviat.